You wanted to blur your video using Capcut and now you can't figure out where to find blur effect in Capcut, then yes, this video is for you. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today in this video I will be exactly showing you guys how to blur video in Capcut. Firstly, make sure that you are connected to internet. This video is going to be very simple and step-by-step tutorial, so make sure to watch this video till the end so you can easily blur video in Capcut. Now let's get straight into the process. Open your Capcut app. Now here you can see plus icon, tap on that. Now you have to choose the video that you want to blur. And then tap on add. Now here at the bottom you can see different options. Go to the option effects. Tap on video effects. Now here you can see options as trending, basic, bling and so on. Tap on basic. Now here you can find the blur effect. Tap on blur. Now you can adjust this blur effect by swiping on right and then swiping on left in this way. At the bottom you can see the option of adjust. You have to tap on that. By swiping on right, you can increase the blur effect and swiping on left, you can decrease the blur effect. After you are done, tap on bottom right corner on that right mark. And at the top right corner, you can see this arrow swing upwards. Tap on that. In this way, you can easily blur video in Capcut. I hope now you guys are clear about how to blur video in Capcut. If you find this video helpful, then at the end make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon so you guys get notified every time we post new videos. Comment down below what you guys want to see in upcoming videos. Thank you.